Easy English.
What's inside the snowflake? Can you see? Can you see? It's a Christmas tree. Oh, it's a Christmas tree. What's inside the snow globe? What could it be? What could it be? It's Santa Claus. Oh, it's Santa Claus. What's inside the snow globe? Look and see, look and see. It's Mrs. Claus. Oh, it's Mrs. Claus. What's inside the snow globe? Round and round we see, we see. It's a reindeer. Oh, it's a reindeer. What's inside the snow globe? Oh, so small, oh, so small. It's an elf. Oh, it's an elf. What's inside the snow globe? Waddle and play, waddle and play. It's a penguin. Oh, it's a penguin. What's inside the snow globe? Sweet and bright, sweet and bright. It's a candy cane. Oh,